I made a free script for After Effects called Quick Namer that lets you name things quickly in After Effects. Let me show you how it works. Got this very simple comp that's just made up of a bunch of circles going back and forth, but creates this really mesmerizing, almost 3D illusion effect. And I didn't do Ben Marriott proud. I did not label my layers. So I've just got shape layer 1 through 18 here. And I want to rename these to say circle 1 through 18 instead. So I'm going to select all of these in the order I want them named, and I'll control or command click on that null object to not have it selected. And this is Quick Namer over here. Very simple interface. You just give it a base name. So I'm gonna call this circle instead of layer. And down here you see a preview of what it's going to give you. If I click on rename selected, it's going to do that instantly. I now have circle 01 through 18. And if I open up the options, we have a lot of different ways to customize this naming. So I have this labeling using numbers, but you could also change this to capital letters or lowercase letters. If I rename again, then it's going to give me that type of sequencing. I'm gonna switch it back to numbers though. With the numbers, you can control the number of digits. So if I wanted to have 3 digits, I could have that. If I wanted to change the separator to an underscore, I could do that. And I can even add in a prefix or a suffix. So if I want to take these ones right here, these are the purple circles, I'll give it a prefix of purple and then say rename selected. And on these ones, I'm going to call them pink and rename those. And now I've separated them out with a prefix. We can do the same thing with a suffix. Just enable it and change it however you want. And the separator can be whatever you want as well. So that's renaming layers, which is great. But we also have the ability to find and replace. If you expand this name section, then we have 2 more text fields. So I'm going to jump over to this comp to show you an example of when you might want to find and replace things. This animation is from my course Animation Principles for Motion Designers, where I teach animation principles from the perspective of motion design, but it's just a very simple character rig made up of a bunch of different layers, and they are very specifically labeled. Let's say that I wanted to take my arm L for left arm controls here and change it to be the arm right. Well, I could search for arm L and then type in arm R and go into my options and take off the sequencing and then just say find and replace. And everywhere that it found arm L is now arm R. And I can even make that case sensitive if I check the box on, and then it's going to only replace that exact capitalization. Or let's say that I wanted this to be the leg instead of the arm. Maybe I labeled it incorrectly when I created it. I could say search for arm and replace it with leg, and then that will rename my layers very quickly and easily. But in addition to layers, this also works with properties and effects, but it has one limitation. So I'm gonna jump back to this comp, and I'm just gonna make a new shape here. So I'm gonna drag a circle out and duplicate this ellipse a bunch of times. So now I have 10 identical ellipses. If I select all of these and we go back to our rename mode, I'll call this, again, circle, but we'll add in our sequencing and click rename, and you'll see that it does work, but unfortunately, with limitations of scripting in After Effects, it can't tell what order you select these properties in, so it's always going to be from the top down. Even with that limitation though, that's gonna save you a lot of time if you need to just give a sequence to your shape groups. So that's Quick Namer. It's already saving me a ton of time inside of After Effects. You can download it for free down in the description, and while you're at my website, be sure that you check out my other free tools as well as my courses, which are designed to help you become a better motion designer and work more efficiently in After Effects. Now to install this script, it's a dockable UI panel, so you're gonna put it inside of your script UI panels folder for the version of After Effects that you're using, and then it'll show up in your window menu. And there are installation instructions on the product page that show you exactly where that directory is if you've never installed the script before. But it also works great with other tools like CodeRunner, which is a free tool that I created. You can install it as a button, and then when you click it, it will just open up a floating panel, and everything that you've done in the panel is persistent from one session to the next, so you're not gonna have to adjust all of these parameters every single time that you open it. This also works great with Kbar, Mobar, any little script launcher that you want to use. But if you don't have one yet, definitely check out CodeRunner. It's one that I created, and it is completely free. Again, there's a link down in the description. And if you have any feature requests or run into any bugs for Quick Namer, definitely let me know down in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.